I can't wait for the party. It's exhilarating. It's exhilarate. It's It's exhil. It's exhil. It's exhilarating. Again. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English with Fana. Today, we are going to learn how to give power to our conversation or writing without using the word very. The purpose of this video is to expand your vocabulary and to give variety in your conversation. Without wasting any time, let's level up our vocabularies for today. Number 1. Very angry, furious, very angry, furious. For example, I am very angry. Change to I am furious. He is late again. Number 2. Very beautiful, gorgeous, very beautiful, gorgeous. For example, her daughter is very beautiful. Nope, change to her daughter is gorgeous. Number 3. Very boring, dull, very boring, dull. For example, this movie is very boring. Nope, change to this movie is dull. I can't even understand the dialogues. Number 4. Very clean, spotless, very clean, spotless. For example, your home is very clean. Change to your home is spotless and smells nice too. Number 5. Very bad, awful, very bad, awful. For example, the weather is very bad. Change to the weather is awful. I have to bring my umbrella all the time. Number 6. Very smart, intelligent, very smart, intelligent. For example, she is a very smart student. Change to she is an intelligent student. Number 7. Very cold, freezing, very cold, freezing. For example, today is very cold. Change to today is freezing. Number 8. Very calm, serene, very calm, serene. For example, they remain very calm. Change to they remain serene when they heard the bad news. Number 9. Very ugly, hideous, very ugly, hideous. For example, the costume is very ugly. Change to the costume is hideous. Where did you buy it? Number 10. Very small, petite, very small, petite. For example, she is a very small woman. Change to she is a petite woman. Number 11. Very funny, hilarious, very funny, hilarious. For example, her brother is very funny. Nope, instead use hilarious. For example, her brother is hilarious. Number 12. Very rich, wealthy, very rich, wealthy. For example, the family is very rich. Change to the family is wealthy. They have a lot of properties in London. Number 13. Very expensive, costly. Very expensive, costly. For example, this dress is very expensive. Replace with this dress is costly. Number 14. Very dirty, filthy. Very dirty, filthy. For example, your shoes are very dirty. Change to your shoes are filthy. They are covered with mud. Number 15. Very easy, effortless. Very easy, effortless. For example, the dance is very easy. Change to the dance is effortless. Number 16. Very good, excellent. Very good, excellent. For example, you've done a very good job. Change to you've done an excellent job. Number 17. Very happy, ecstatic. Very happy, ecstatic. For example, I am very happy. Change to I am ecstatic. Number 18. Very exciting, exhilarating. Very exciting, exhilarating. For example, I can't wait for the party. It's very exciting. Change to I can't wait for the party. It's exhilarating. Number 19. Very warm, hot. Very warm, hot. For example, be careful, the pot is very warm. Change to be careful, the pot is hot. Number 20. Very weak, frail. Very weak, frail. For example, he looks very weak. Change to he looks frail. That's all for today. I hope to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up if you like this video, and do comment below if you have your favorite word instead of very. Also, follow me in all my social media accounts. I have Instagram at English with Fana and a Facebook page. Till next time, bye beautiful people!